when it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there.
Rob Liefeld, who co-created the character, says Disney may not make Deadpool 3, but he's okay if it doesn't end up happening. The comic book artist and writer came up with the idea for the character in conjunction with Argentinian writer Fabian Nicieza in the early 90s. Deadpool has gone on to become a household name and one of the most popular comic book characters of all time. In a video interview with Collider, Liefeld says that Disney may never ever make the movie, discussing the potential for several properties related to the character, including a cable spin-off movie and an X-Force movie. Liefeld casually mentions that due to the large number of properties Disney owns and their expensive schedule, Deadpool 3 may not get made. However, he says he is okay with it never being made thanks to the great experiences he had working on Deadpool and Deadpool 2. You know what? There may not be another Deadpool and I am fine because I have to live with the fact that I had two amazing experiences, two movies I am extremely proud of. I love knowingly everybody on those movies. I love Ryan, Josh, Jay-Z, David, Tim Miller, all of them. The work they did was fantabulous. Those movies are here to stand the test of time. But in the world we live in, nothing is guaranteed. And it takes a lot to make movies, and post-quarantine, it's weird, says Liefeld. Liefeld, who worked closely with Reynolds on the movies and has been a champion of both the star and the films on the social media, gets incredibly animated during the interview but seems to have made peace with the fact that a third movie may never see the light of the day. His comments here echo those made back in May, where he said he was certain Marvel had shelved its plan for Deadpool 3. He said that despite Reynolds saying it was in development in December last year. These comments, however, should be taken with the requisite grain of salt. Liefeld is a passionate man and often is outspoken about his creation, but also isn't an internal part of Disney. That means he is not necessarily privy to the long-term plans the studio has for their superhero characters. He is also prone to making controversial statements to get attention, a plan that has worked in the past, and he may believe that by saying he doesn't think Deadpool 3 will happen, he can force Disney to make an announcement. Either way, for fans, the news is disheartening. Deadpool and Deadpool 2 were both well received by the public, and there is no doubting that Reynolds was born to play the mug with the mouth. If there isn't to be a Deadpool 3, fans would be missing out on a lot of kinetic, over-the-top superhero fun. So that's it for today's video. Guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel Twins TV and see you in the next one.